The principles of Atum-Ra. The ancient science of creation, consciousness, and divine becoming. Segment 3. The principle of divine will. One of the most powerful teachings connected to Atum is the principle of divine will. The ancient texts say Atum enlightened his will before creating existence. This is extremely important. Creation begins with focused intention. The ancients believed thought itself was creative energy. Words carried force, sound carried vibration. Consciousness shaped reality. In the hymn, Atum speaks creation into being through sacred sound. This reflects an ancient understanding shared across many traditions. The universe is vibrational. Everything moves, everything resonates, everything carries frequency. The Kemetic sages understood sound not merely as noise, but as organizing intelligence. To them, harmony created order, disorder created suffering. And this leads directly into one of the greatest principles in Kemetic spirituality, Ma'at. Segment 4, Ma'at. The law of cosmic balance. Atum is said to have laid the foundations of creation through the law of Ma'at. Ma'at is one of the deepest concepts in ancient African spirituality. It represents truth, harmony, balance, justice, reciprocity, divine order. The ancients believed the universe survives because of balance. The stars move in order. The seasons move in rhythm. Breath flows in cycles. Life depends upon harmony. When humanity lives against truth, chaos increases. When humanity lives aligned with truth, harmony expands. Ma'at was not just philosophy. It was a way of life. Speak truth. Act with integrity. Respect balance. Control destructive impulses. Live in alignment with higher consciousness. In this worldview, spiritual evolution was not about blind belief. It was about becoming aligned with cosmic order. To embody Ma'at was to become a living reflection of divine harmony. Segment 5. Shu and Tefnut. From Atum emerged Shu and Tefnut. These are not merely mythological figures. They represent cosmic principles. Shu symbolizes air, expansion, breath, and consciousness. Tefnut symbolizes moisture, balance, nourishment, and flow. Together they represent polarity and harmony, masculine and feminine, structure and fluidity, mind and emotion, stillness and movement. The ancients understood that creation unfolds through complementary forces. Nothing exists alone. Night requires day. Silence gives meaning to sound. Breath requires both inhale and exhale. This ancient symbolic science teaches us that balance is the foundation of existence itself. Human beings suffer when they become disconnected from balance internally. Too much aggression creates destruction. Too much passivity creates stagnation. Wisdom is found in equilibrium.